Introducing Borosil Prime Grill Sandwich Maker. This sandwich maker comes with non-stick grilling plates and can make up to 2 sandwiches at a time. The non-stick plates come in a size of 230 by 145 mm. The heating plate opens 90 degrees for easy access. It comes with an red indicator light, cool touch handles as well as an automatic temperature control to ensure safety. This grey sandwich maker comes with a 1.4 meters long power cord and cord wrap for convenience. The anti-skid legs ensure a safe grip. The size of this sandwich maker is 28.8 by 10.7 by 24.3 centimeters and it weighs 1.2 kilograms. The box contains the sandwich maker and an instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.